If I know you use Excel spreadsheets for everything including research, but you find it impossible to include your downloaded images without the file crashing, which of course means you love updating it, taking the screenshots, saving them elsewhere, or having boring URL link backs within the file. Wouldn't you love it if Excel was smarter and worked harder for you? Well, I believe you deserve to gain back those hours and look a whole lot smarter in the process. So I'm introducing to you a tool that will shift the way you work while leveling up your automation skills in today's What's in the Blocks. What's up team, it's John here from the Business Blocks, and today we're talking about Airtable, a tool that helps you organize anything with anyone from anywhere. I call it the Excel spreadsheet's good-looking cousin, and by this I mean that you have all the power of your spreadsheet and the good-looking productivity that comes along with it. Now before we get into it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, also hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get all the latest TBB updates. Okay, let's go. There are 4 main working spaces, including Grid, Calendar, Gallery, and Kanban View, helping you manage your data in whatever means that suits. Drag and drop features for changing statuses, and even a cool web clipper that helps speed up your web research. Once you get the hang of it, you'll develop your own skills and creative solutions that will wow your users time and time again. Start in the workspace, create a new base from a template, importing or start from scratch. Airtable has one of the best communities generating thousands of templates and shared bases that you can copy at the click of a mouse. I'll share some links below with some great resources as well. I'm going to start with a new base for researching and building my own mountain bike. I'm going to start with creating the base with all the right information and field types, including text, currency, images, and links. Setting the base right from the start will make the research so much easier. Once that is set up, I'll create a new block, which is like an add-on that you can use in Airtable or on the web. I choose the web clipper and set up the fields from the part list. Now you're all set up. You can surf the web, get lost, and then when you find a product that you want to add to your base, click and go. Go ahead and click on the Airtable icon in the browser. The web clipper pops up, and all you do is click or drag and copy the details into the window and add this to your record. Airtable will save your entry into the worksheet with no pesky file attachments and a handy link button back to the site once you've completed the search. Everything is saved automatically and is ready for when you arrive back into Airtable. I've added here a nice little summary view to show you each of the parts on the wish list, and so if you change the view to the gallery, you can see what's purchased and what's still waiting for that next paycheck. So whether you're a mountain bike enthusiast or a research gnome at work, this is just one of the use cases for Airtable on their Pro account. Check out the others, which include visual management boards, Google Mapping integrations, generate invoices or repeatable presentation slides, or you can integrate with hundreds of apps through Zapier. And finally, if you go to the next level, you can send text messages or set up a video chat. The list is up to you and your imagination. Value your own time and level up with Airtable, and check out some of my other product use cases here for Airtable today.